It looks like a bomb. Texas causes widespread damage. Franklin, Texas. People were trapped in badly damaged homes as a tornado ruined a significant portion of Franklin, Texas on Saturday. Only about a dozen people suffered minor injuries. Some suffered broken bones, according to Robertson County Judge Charles Ellison. Other than that, no significant injuries or deaths were reported. But there is a massive cleanup ahead, as crews try to restore power to more than 3,500 residents who lost it across Robertson County. Ellison, the Robertson County judge, said we've lost about half of the south side of Franklin. It's totally destroyed, Ellison said. Franklin's population is about 1,500, while the county has just over 16,000 people, according to the most recent U.S. Census. Franklin Police Chief Terry Thibodeau said he believes everyone who was trapped in their homes was rescued, between the police department and DMS. We've got a lot of power lines down, a lot of homes destroyed and damaged, Thibodeau said. I believe we have all the roadways back open for vehicle traffic, but we're still reverting around the affected areas there in town. The chief said anyone with medication or life-saving needs still inside the rubble should contact the Robertson County Sheriff's Office and ask for a Franklin police escort. We'll be out here all night, the chief said. The Franklin Police Department will be on patrol for the next 24 hours for anyone who needs help. Billy Huggins, the emergency manager for Robertson County, said his first call from the National Weather Service came at 11:20 a.m. It said a tornado was on the ground crossing Highway 6 between Hearn and Calvert, headed toward Franklin. Huggins was in Bryan at the time, some 30 miles away from Franklin. By the time he was back, the damage had already been done. Severe weather Saturday caused major damage to at least 20 homes and cars in Franklin, which is north of College Station. Most of the damage is within a 6-block radius in Franklin, south of Highway 79 starting from 46 to Calvert Street, going about 4 blocks in, the chief said. It's hard to describe, Thibodeau said. You've got houses turned over. You've got houses off foundations. It looks like a bomb. The city's public works building, garbage trucks and city equipment was damaged. Thibodeau said this will affect the city for a while, until we get that back up. City officials will assess the damage Sunday morning, the chief said. Viewer photos shows trailer homes ripped apart by strong winds, power lines knocked down and trees on top of cars. There were several tornado warnings issued as the storms moved through. Franklin residents are being told to go to the First Baptist Church if they can't get to their homes. And if they see power lines down, they're asked to call 979-828-3299. The city is under a boil water notice. The Robertson County Sheriff called the damage the worst he's seen in 23 years.
Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for west central Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, southeastern Cherokee
That's
County
where I'm
in
at,
northeastern
baby!
Texas until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Forest, or 20 miles south of Busk, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will
holy
occur.
crap, look at that.
Tree damage is likely.
Oh my gosh.
This dangerous storm will be near Forest around 11:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Maureen around 11:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Alto around noon Central Daylight Time. Douglas around 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Linwood and Middleburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Cherokee and Nacogdoches.
Shit. New messages. About last message. Last message. No. Text Tommy Eubanks. Do you think I need to ride over and see if everything's alright? Send it. New messages. Damn, dude. Turn the darn. New messages. No. I can turn signal more on. Hit every one of them. Every darn one of them I'm going to hit.